Kung ako, tatanungin mo kung ano ang best SUV pagdating sa comfort, space, at technology na binibigay na itong Ford Everest ang pipiliin ko. At para sa price niya, tingin ko naman worth it. I got you, let's... Good morning guys! Meron tayong new arrival dito. Napaka-poging 2018 Ford Everest Titanium Plus 4x4 automatic transmission, top the lane version. Exterior-wise, fresh original paint, na automatic side mirror ka, may 3.2 badge at naka 20 inches alloy wheels ka at makakapal ang gulong. At ang nagustuhan ko sa Ford Everest kasi meron siyang 360 sensor dito, kaya safe ka rin. At sa pinakaharapan niya, meron aperture headlight with day running light, fog light, may chrome accent grille at 8 ang ending. At ang one of the key features ng Everest na to, kasi automatic tailgate na rin siya, kaya kahit may mga groceries ka, hindi ka na mahihirapan. At sa trunk space, meron kang napakalog na trunk space dito at hindi ka na rin mahihirapan magtaas ang upuan niya kasi automatic na rin yan. At sa pinakalikod niya, meron kang rear fog light, rear tail lights, chrome garnish at reverse camera. At sa loob naman tayo, napaka-aesthetic talaga ng Ford Everest. Meron kang moonroof dito at napaka-fresh ang leather seats niya. Automatic seats na yan, may Everest touch ka dito, well-designed na dashboard, infotainment system, climate control, may automatic parking, may 4x4 controls, automatic transmission, 2 cup holders at center console. At ang pinaka-nagustuhan ko dito, kasi hindi siya nilaspag, meron kang napaka-fresh na steering wheel, may cruise control with 60,000 kilometers on the clock only. Napakasariwa talaga na to, hindi pasmado yung first owner. At sa second row, hindi talaga siya tinipid. Maluwag ang legroom at headroom, may air vents ka dito, climate control, at may armrest ka with 2 hidden cup holders. Check yung panoramic sunroof, super aesthetic dito. At sa third row, decent yung space niya. May cup holder ka at air vents on both sides. At sa engine, meron kang 3.2 liter 4x4 turbo diesel engine. Alam mo yung Wildtrak, same sila na engine yon, kaya napakatibay niya. Very durable at very powerful din. At syempre, magdala ng scanner mekaniko para ma-assure mo kasi napakasariwa niyan. So this is a 2018 Ford Everest Titanium Plus 4x4 with 60,000 kilometers on the clock. Kaya kung gusto mo to, for only 935,000 guys, mauuwi mo na to. Open tayo for cash, trade-in and financing. Sa financing natin, napaka-basic niyan. Same day approval tayo at same day financing lang. At syempre guys, open tayo for cash din. At pag cash naman, mas basic para alam bumili ng candy dito. At syempre guys, Google Waze lang, Darcy Auto Exchange. At we have all over 60 units sa Darcy dyan. At syempre, punta na Darcy Auto Exchange guys. Thank you guys. Peace out.